Hi, I'm Malachi Quitoriano with Sanger West Productions, and you're watching This Week at West, where we update you on what's happening around campus and fill you in on how you can get involved in our Hornets community. Monday night is open house. Students, families, and future Hornets are invited to attend. Come by and check out our campus, visit classrooms, meet our coaches. There will be food trucks. It's from 5 to 7 p.m. It's election week at Sanger West. Students running for class and ASB offices will be campaigning. Good luck to all those running. Thursday is a big day for our seniors. It's exit interview day. Please arrive to the NPR 30 minutes before your scheduled time. Remember to dress to impress and have your portfolios ready. Fridays is an activity schedule. There's a big rally happening at the gym. It's a blackout rally, so wear white or neon. And then Friday night from 7 to 10, there's an after party. It's free to attend. For more on the after party, we are joined by Nicholas Dela Cruz Pagan from ASB. What can you tell us about the after party on Friday night?
What I know, the after party is going to happen after school in the gym. It's going to be a blackout party, so we're white, neon. It's going to be free for all students. There's going to be a DJ, food trucks, so you really have no reason why you should want to come. So I better see you there.
Stay up to date on what's happening at Sanger West. Follow Sanger West Productions on Instagram. You can also email story ideas to our advisor, Sarah Sogomoni. Thanks for watching This Week at West. Have a great week, Hornets. For Sanger West Productions, I'm Malachi Quitoriano.